Hello, everyone. My name is Jessica Alvarez. I am a senior majoring in psychology and minoring in Chicano studies. I am a DHFYE peer coach, and I support students from CNBS and some students from CBAP as well. And I am joined with.
Hi everyone, my name is Maddie. I'm also a senior, but I'm majoring in human services. I'm a DHFA peer coach, and I support College of Health, Human Services, and Nursing students. I support CBAP students and undeclared students.
Today, we'll be talking about setting SMART goals, and Maddie will start us off.
Yes, so we want to really break down what SMART goals are. So the S in SMART would be specific. So is it simple? Is it sensible? And is our goal significant? So this really targets the who, the what, the where, the when, and the why. And when we look at our SMART goals, our S is super important because we want to be as specific as we can to make sure we achieve the goal we set for us. And M is measurable. So is it meaningful? Is it motivating? Are we going to have like the motivation to complete this goal? And with the measurable part of SMART goals, we also want to know how we're going, how the progress and how the success in our goal will be measured, and we'll go over that on a later slide. And then the A is achievable. So are we agreeing to this goal? Is this goal attainable? So is it like a realistic goal for us to set? And then we also want to consider what actions we will take to complete this goal to all keep us accountable, essentially. And then the R is relevant. So is this goal relevant to us? So is it reasonable? Is it, once again, a realistic goal for us? Do we have the resources to complete this goal? And then is our goal based on our results? So essentially, we will also just determine if we are willing and able to achieve this goal because is it relevant to what we want to accomplish? And then T, also a really important one, time bound. And time bound is time based, it's time limited, it's timely, it's time sensitive, and we just want to give ourselves a timeline and time frame to track our progress and how that timeline will essentially just help us accomplish our goals.
Here we have a SMART goals activity. So you could practice making a SMART goal on your own. And we also have an example of setting SMART goals. So for example, the S in SMART, we have complete my English paper by the deadline of November 25th. The M, set deadlines for myself by November 20th. I will have my rough draft completed. And the A would be I will set 30 minutes each day to write to do this writing assignment. The R would be I will have my rough draft completed by November 20th and get it revised at the writing center. The T would be this assignment will be turned in by November 25th at 11:59 p.m. So this is something, this is an example of what a SMART goal could look like, and feel free to try one on your own as well, as it can be really helpful in, for example, for this, completing an essay on time and really setting a specific goal.
And we also just want to quickly go over who can support you with achieving your SMART goals, because it's one thing setting it and it's another thing trying to achieve it to the best of our ability. So we want to include here that your academic advisor is an excellent resource to go to. And if you have any academic related question, whether it's scheduling your courses or informing you on policies, maybe you're curious about when is the last day to add a class, when is the last day to drop a class, how do you do that, where do you do that? Formatting those questions into a SMART goal and then knowing that your academic advisor could help you with that could be really helpful. And then your peer academic coaches, which is what the role Jessica and I have. And we are your assigned PCs, or you have an assigned PC is a better way to put it, during your transition into either high school or community college to DH. So any like general questions you have, any resource referrals maybe you need, if you have a question on where to contact someone, maybe you're not sure how to contact the Writing Center, which would be a really helpful resource for your SMART goals. We can help you contact them. And then the UAC, which is where we work as well, we just wanted to quickly add the services we provide. So there's general education advising with our wonderful advisors. If you have any questions on what your requirements are to graduate DH, the UAC is definitely the place to do that. If you have any questions on academic probation or disqualification or how to go about that, or if that is like your case, the UAC once again and the academic advisors can definitely help you navigate that. And then just general referrals you need. Maybe you're not sure where to go to if you have certain questions. You can always stop by our office and we can try our best to direct you to like where you have to go.
And you could also follow us on Instagram and YouTube to stay informed on the events and workshops that we have. So here we have linked the UAC's Instagram as well as the DHFYE and the Transfer Toros. And there is a link to our YouTube channel as well for the DHFYE program. And our email for the UAC is UAC@csudh.edu if you need support with anything as well. And that ends our presentation for today. So thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.